Maya! Don't touch me! I'm human Electro! Every time I touch my sweater, the air bites me! My own clothes are attacking!
Your sweater isn't mean, Alex. You've just discovered a secret power that's stronger than a wrecking ball. It's called static electricity. And it's the exact same power that makes real lightning roar in the sky. Imagine everything is made of tiny magnets called charges. When you rub things together, you are actually stealing. The balloon is a thief. It's stealing tiny bits of power called electrons. Can you guess what happens when the balloon gets too full? Does it give them back with a kiss? Why won't it let go of my nose? Not a kiss, Alex. A discharge. When all those stolen electrons jump back at once, bam! You get a mini lightning bolt. Give me some super facts, Maya. Fact 1. A single bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun.
No way!
Fact 2. If you pet a cat in a dark room, you can sometimes see tiny sparks of static on their fur. Electric kittens! Fact 3. Scientists have found lightning happening on other planets, like Jupiter and Saturn. Rub a balloon and steal a spark. Watch the lightning in the dark. Your mission is to find the electron thief in your own house. And if you want to know why that spark makes such a loud boom, subscribe and watch our Thunder video. Stay electric, explorers! Bye!